Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Wild Badger Power Earth Auger. This auger comes with a 40-volt brushless motor, a 4 amp hour battery, and a 2 amp fast charger. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So I love this brand. I have a chainsaw from this brand as well as a leaf blower, and everything that I've owned from Wild Badger has worked so well that I went ahead and decided to order an auger at one point this summer. I'm going to go ahead and do some fencing, and I'm going to need an auger to drill some posts. On top, there's a wrench right there. That's going to take everything out. There's some boxes here. Here's our 2 amp hour fast charger. The battery feels pretty heavy, so it seems like it's a pretty big battery. It's one of these 40-volt batteries. The battery came about 75% charged already, but I'm going to throw it on the charger to charge it to 100%. There's the motor head itself, along with the bottom part where the auger attachments will go. All right. You can see it's a large diameter blade. Depending on your need, you can purchase the smaller diameter blade as well. This is the 8-inch diameter and 34-inch length. So I can easily dig holes 34 inches deep, 8 inches wide for planting trees, fence posts, etc. On the bottom, you have the sharp tip along with the screw-like structure so that it's easy to drill a hole. So you're gonna face the battery towards you, and then this is gonna go to your right. So you're gonna unscrew all 4 of these bolts to begin with. Slide these tubes into the slot. Once you have slid them in, you're going to make sure you align the holes so you can get the bolts through. Once you get one of the screws in, it's going to make it a lot easier because it's going to hold in the proper place. I'm going to go ahead and put that nut on. And they've included the wrench to properly tighten it. We're just going to hand tighten to begin with. Get all 4 of the screws in. And then same concept on the other side. And when you use the provided wrench to go ahead and tighten it all the way down to the base. Okay, so now that we have the handles installed, the blade has this pin here that you're just going to pop off by taking this off and then pulling off. As far as the base of the auger, you're going to slide the motor onto the blade. It's very easy to do. Just slide it in. Make sure you align the holes. Once your holes are aligned, you're going to push the pin through. It's going to take a little bit of force here. Once your pin is pushed through, make sure to lock it on the other side, and it's locked like that. And now your auger is ready to be used. On the top of the auger, this is where the battery will go, and this is the release button. So you're gonna slide the battery on, and to remove, you're just gonna press that release button and remove. So it's super easy to put it on. There's also a power wire here that you need to attach before first use. So go ahead and attach that. Then you're gonna screw the wire on to make sure it stays on sturdy and is waterproof. When lifting the auger, the battery side should be towards you. And then on the right side, you will have your controls. So looking closely at the controls, you have the reverse to remove the auger from the hole once you've dug it. And there's 1 and 2, which are the 2 settings, speed settings. So let's go ahead and start using it. All right. So like I said, the battery should be facing you. We're going to press 1. This is the safety button. You're going to press that, and just be careful as it hits resistance, it's going to kick back. So it's hitting some roots here. So you're going to brace it against your thighs. It's a very strong auger. It's a nice ergonomic handle, very soft, Same on this side, soft to touch and hold. We're going to use our hip to brace the auger. And then what I'm going to remove now, because I'm at the depth I want to be at. And so I'm going to put it on reverse. And again, remove. And so now I have a 8-inch depth hole within a few seconds. And you can see how it's cut through roots and stuff like that very easily. And of course, you can keep going, make it deeper, as deep as you need to. So I'm going to put it back on one, brace myself, hit the safety. As you can see, it's digging through rocks as well. Straight up rock too, it's digging through. So it's doing a really good job of getting through rocks, dirt, roots. As you can see here, I have an 8-inch depth hole within a few seconds, probably about 30 seconds. It got through rock as well as roots without any difficulty. This auger works really well. I'm really happy with how easy it was to set up and easy it is to get using. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.